Soyez le bienvenu! Mabuhay po tayo dyan! And welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Learn French the smart way. Today's verb, apprendre, to learn or to gain knowledge. Example, elle apprend le français tous les jours. Elle apprend le français tous les jours. Dans la photo, c'est un garçon. Il apprend le français tous les jours. This verb is very simple, essential, and perfect for your language journey. Okay, let's go. Tara na. On y va? On y va. To learn how to conjugate the verb apprendre. On y va. Let's go. Apprendre. Apprendre. Okay, quand c'est l'infinitif, we pronounce it as apprendre. Okay, l'infinitif. Apprendre means to learn or to gain knowledge or more knowledge, if you like. Okay, if you wish. Okay. Now, what is the definition of apprendre or to learn? Définition. Acquérir des connaissances, des compétences ou des informations par l'étude ou par l'expérience. What does it mean? To acquire knowledge, skills, or information through study or experience. So, we need to learn. Okay. Next, example po tayo. Elle apprend le français à l'école tous les jours. Regarde, écoutez. Elle apprend. On ne prononce pas le D. We do not pronounce the D. Les lettres D. D or D en français. Okay? So, let's conjugate. How to conjugate this one? So, hindi siya pwedeng je apprends. No. It will be j'apprends. J'apprends. On prononce pas le D o S. Hindi natin pinopronounce yung D and S. Okay? J'apprends. Okay? I learn. Okay? Next. J'apprends. I study. Okay? Next, we have tu apprends. Tu apprends. Okay? I learn or you learn now. You learn. Tu is learn. Tu apprends. On prononce pas le D and S. Next. Il apprend. Il apprend. Okay? With D, but we don't pronounce the D. So, he learns. Then, elle apprend. Elle apprend. Okay? On ne prononce pas le D. Then we have on apprend. Pair liaison. On apprend. Okay? With on. On. Then yung N, ididikit sa A. On apprend. Et on ne prononce pas le D. Next. Donc, ça, c'est we learn. Then, nous apprenons. Nous apprenons. Ididikit po yung S sa A and we pronounce it as Z. Nous apprenons. Hindi siya apprenons, ha? Yung E doon, yung letter E is E. Kasi wala siyang accent. So, nous apprenons. Non. Next, yung uset. So, we learn. And then we have vous apprenez. Yung vous again, yung S ng vous, ididikit mo siya sa A. Magiging siyang magiging Z. Vous apprenez. Used yun. May used yun, no? So, they learn. O, you learn. You learn. Isa lang. Kung isa lang siya, o yung marami sila. Okay? Vous apprenez. Next. With this is they. Meron siyang S. Yung S, gagawin natin ulit na Z. No? Sa pagbasa lang. Ils apprennent. Ils apprennent. Okay? Hindi siya, ils apprennent. No. Ils apprennent. And then, elle is the same. They, na puro babae. Elles apprennent. Elles apprennent. So, doon mo malalaman na yun ay troisième personne pluriel o they na siya. Because, elles apprennent. Pag doon sa elle apprend at saka elles apprennent, ayun ay pluriel. Get it? So, j'apprends, tu apprends, il apprend, elle apprend, on apprend. Nous apprenons, vous apprenez, ils apprennent, elles apprennent. Okay? Example. I get like she's a woman, she's a lady, young girl. So elle apprend le français à l'école tous les jours. Elle apprend le français à l'école tous les jours. So she learns French at school every day. Get it pa? So the verb apprendre, to learn or to gain, acquire or gain knowledge. Okay, what about you? Okay, please learn or apprendre la langue française. Merci. The verb apprendre c'est un verbe de quotidien. C'est un verbe de quotidien. It's a verb in our daily lives, okay, that we use every day. J'apprends, okay, I learn. So, merci beaucoup for listening. I hope you will register and you will apprendre la langue française better or mieux. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and mag-comment po for more videos. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.